Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome, dear students. I hope you are all living a healthy, good, and happy life. So, dear students, as you all know that currently we are in unit number 4. So today we will start lesson number 3 from unit 4, which is geography quiz. But before proceeding to the quiz, I would like to tell you what geography is. So dear students, geography is a field of science that is devoted to the study of lands, features, inhabitants, and phenomena of the earth and plants. So let's start the text. Exercise 1. Read the questions in the quiz and take the answers you think are correct. Then check exercise 2 for the correct answers. So dear students, the first picture is of United Kingdom, the second picture is of Pakistan, and the third picture is of Australia. Country quiz. Question number 1. Which country has the largest area and which has the smallest area? Circle the largest country, underline the smallest country. So dear students, here we have three options. Option A, Australia. Option B, Pakistan. Option C, United Kingdom. So you will have to circle Australia because the largest area is of Australia, and you will have to underline option B, Pakistan, because the smallest area is of Pakistan. Question number 2 is which country has the largest population? Population means number of people, and which has the smallest? Circle the country with the largest population, underline the country with the smallest population. So here we have three options. Option A, Australia. Option B, Pakistan. Option C, United Kingdom. So you will have to underline option A, Australia, because it has the smallest population, and you have to circle option B because the largest population is of Pakistan. Question 3 is in 1900 which country had the most languages? So option A is Australia, option B Pakistan, option C United Kingdom. So you will have to mark option A, Australia. Question number 4 is which country has the highest mountain? Option A, Australia. Option B, Pakistan. Option C, United Kingdom. So you will have to mark option B, Pakistan, because the highest mountain is in Pakistan, not in Australia or in United Kingdom. It is in Pakistan, and the name of that mountain is K2. Question 5. Which country has the largest desert? Option A, Australia. Option B, Pakistan. Option C, United Kingdom. You will have to mark option A, Australia, because the largest desert is in Australia, which is the Great Victoria Desert. Question 6. Which country has the longest river? Option A, Australia. Option B, Pakistan. Option C, United Kingdom. So you will have to mark option B, Pakistan, because the longest river is in Pakistan, which is the river Indus. Question number 7 is which countries have dangerous animals, insects, and snakes? Option A, Australia. Option B, Pakistan. Option C, United Kingdom. You will have to mark option A, Australia, and option B, Pakistan, because the dangerous animals, insects, and snakes are in Pakistan and Australia. Option 8. In which country or countries would you find kangaroos, sharks, koala bears, deer? So dear students, you will find kangaroos in Australia, sharks in Pakistan, Australia, Pakistan, and United Kingdom, and koala bears in Australia, and deer in Pakistan and United Kingdom. Option B and option C. Okay, dear students, on page number 23, here is exercise 2. Listen to your teacher and write the missing information in the quiz below. A. You will find deer in Pakistan and the UK. You will find kangaroos and koala bears only in Australia. You will find sharks in all the three countries. In the blank, you will write all the three countries. ALLTHE, the THREE, three countries. B. Australia and Pakistan both have dangerous animals, insects, and snakes. The United Kingdom has no dangerous animals or insects and only one type of a dangerous snake. Only in the blank you will write only one type, ONLY, only, ONE1TYPE, type of a dangerous snake. C. Pakistan has the largest population and Australia has the smallest. In the blank you will write Australia, AUSTRALIA, Australia has the smallest. D. Australia has the largest area. It is 10 times bigger than Pakistan and 30 times bigger than the United Kingdom. In the blank you will write 30, THIRTY, 30 times bigger than the United Kingdom. E. 2/3 of Australia is desert, that is equal to a desert 6 times the size of Pakistan. F. The Indus, which flows through Pakistan, is the longest river. It is 2500 kilometers long. In the blank you will write 2500 kilometers long. G. K2 in Pakistan is the highest mountain. It is 8611 meters high. In the blank you will write 8611. H. In 1900, the Aboriginal people of Australia spoke about 100 different languages. There were 8 main languages in Pakistan and only 3 in the UK. In the blank you will write 3, THREE, 3. Okay, dear students, so here is exercise 3, which is a practical work. You can do it at your home with your siblings or your parents as well. Ask your partner the questions in the quiz. Do not read out the information in the answers. For example, which country is the largest and which is the smallest? Answer is Australia is the largest and the United Kingdom is the smallest. So you can practice it in home. You can ask your parents to practice this exercise or your siblings to practice this exercise with you. Okay, they will ask you the question and you will have to answer them. Exercise 4. Read the country's summary of Australia. Australia is 30 times bigger than the United Kingdom. Its population is smaller than the population of the UK. UK mean United Kingdom. Much of Australia is desert. It has some high mountains. The people of Australia spoke more than 100 different languages. You can find lots of dangerous animals, insects, snakes, and sharks in Australia. Exercise 5 is write country summary for one of the other countries using the words and phrases in italics from exercise 4. So this is your task. You have to write about, you can write about Pakistan as well and some other countries by using the words and phrases in italics from exercise 4. The italics means typeface or letter, and they are used primarily to denote titles and names of particular works or objects in order to allow that title or name to stand out from the surrounding sentences. So the italic is, this is the italic, it's a type of writing. This is italic, this is italic. Okay, so you have to write 5 sections of a summary of a country, and it can be Pakistan or it can be some other countries, but you have to use the italic words or phrases in the summary of any country. Okay, so this is your task, and I hope you have understand the whole lesson number 3, and do it in your textbook and write the summary for one country in your notebook. Okay dear students, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.